first, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Really? My favorite color is purple too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I don't have purple clothing. I love the color purple, but I don't have purple clothes.
Oh, well, everything I wear is purple.
No kidding.
Yeah, really.
That's so cool. So what about food? What's your favorite food?
Good question. My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza, but I don't like really big pizzas.
I love pizza too. What is your favorite topping on pizza?
I like really spicy toppings. So salami or pepperoni, chilies, and sometimes bell peppers too.
Do you like thick pizza or thin pizza?
No, I don't like thick pizza because I can't eat too much. But the thin pizzas, I get lots of toppings and I don't feel so full.
Yeah, I agree. What about seasons? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Winter?
Yeah, I love winter. Don't you?
No, I hate winter. Why do you like winter?
I love the snow.
Oh, I hate the snow. Well, I like the snow a little bit, but I hate cold weather.
Yeah, I guess the cold is kind of annoying, but the snow is so much fun. I go skiing and I play snowball fights and I build snowmen.
Yeah, that sounds fun. What about sports? What's your favorite sport?
I'd say my favorite sport is tennis.
That's interesting. Do you play tennis?
Yeah, but I'm not very good.
Do you like singles or doubles?
At the moment, I'm having singles lessons. They're really fun.
Oh, now you are taking tennis lessons.
Yes, about twice a week.
Do you watch tennis on TV?
Yes, I watch it all the time.
Who is your favorite tennis player?
I really like Roger Federer.
Yeah, he's really good. Okay, last question. What is your favorite movie?
I don't have a favorite movie, but I really like comedies.
So, what is your favorite comedy?
My favorite comedy is Ace Ventura.
Ace Ventura is very funny, but that movie is really old.
It is, but it's a classic, Todd.
It's like 20 years old, I think. Maybe more.
I know, I've seen it 100 times.
Yeah, I like it a lot too.
Here are some grammar points we can cover next in our conversation. You can ask about likes with the following pattern. What, das, do you like? What movies do you like? What sports do you like? What foods do you like? You can express likes with the following pattern. I like action movies. I like soccer. I like pizza. For yes/no questions, we use the pattern below. Do you like and do you like pizza? Do you like baseball? Do you like video games? You can answer a yes/no question in the following ways. Yes, I do. Of course. No, I don't.